Do you want to launch trial production for 3 different products simultaneously? Say, a rugged tablet, an industrial control motherboard, and a projector, only to find that no single factory can handle the whole job. Dealing with separate teams for each product is a massive headache. When your product mix is diverse, small factories lack the necessary capabilities, while large manufacturers aren't interested in your small orders. Shenzhen Newey. Cross-category orders like yours are exactly our specialty on a single production line. We can handle everything from micro-component assembly 0201 size to high current, thick copper boards and conformal coating. For your 3 products, you deal with a single point of contact with streamlined processes, consolidate material procurement, and synchronize delivery schedules. We don't view you merely as a trial-run client, but as a future major partner. We are helping to grow. Do you have multiple products that need to launch simultaneously? Send me a private message with the word trial. Production falls in full. All of them within a single facility.